Let's take another set of opposites to write our cursive writing. Now, when the sun comes up, what do? You wake up from bed, yes, and that is day. Day. When the sun comes up, the sun is bright, you can see the light all over, and that is day. Spell day, D-A-Y, day. Then the sun comes up and goes back to sleep by evening, late in the evening. Everything becomes dark. Then you call that night. So day, D-A-Y, day. Opposite of day, night. Spell night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Day, night. Let's write. Day. D-A-Y, day. Opposite, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Day, night. Okay, let's take our next opposite. Your daddy loves to drink something in the morning. Yes, hot cup of coffee. Yes, hot. Spell hot, H-O-T, hot. Opposite of hot. Daddy drinks hot cup of coffee. And what do you say? Mama, I like to have cold milk. Opposite of hot, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Dad drinks hot cup of coffee and baby drinks cold cup of milk. Let's write hot, opposite, cold. Hot, H. O T, hot. Opposite, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Hot, cold. Next, what shall we write next? When you write your handwriting in your book, take a pencil and you must write slowly. What the teacher says? Write slowly. Spell slow, S-L-O-W, slow. So you write slow so that every letter comes correct, legible, well formed. Opposite of slow, your brother. You see your brother writing fast. Slow, fast. Spell fast, A-A-S-T, fast. You have a little sister. She walks very slowly. And you walk fast. Slow, fast. Let's write now. Slow, S, L, O, W. Slow. Opposite, fast. F-A-S-T, fast. F, A, S, T, fast. Slow, fast. All right. Now, when you write, you keep on rubbing. Teacher says, don't rub too much. When you write, the paper must look clean. If you go on writing and you make it dirty, then your writing won't be good. So, clean. Let's spell clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Mama says, keep the room clean. Teacher says, let's keep our classroom clean. Opposite of clean, dirty. Teacher comes in and finds paper and pencil shavings all over. And she says, look at this class. So, dirty. Spell dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Clean, opposite, dirty. Let's write. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Opposite of clean, dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Look at the four set of opposite that we have written. Let's look. The first one is day. It's day. The sun has come up. Mommy says wake up. D-A-Y, day. Opposite. Night. It's night time. You go to bed. N-I-G-H-T, night. Hot. The sun is hot. H-O-T, hot. Opposite of cold. Opposite of hot is cold. The nights are cold. If you go up on the terrace, nice and cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Slow. How does the turtle walk? Slowly it will move. S-L-O-W, slow. Opposite, fast. Who can run fast? A tiger can run fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Clean. Teacher says, wear clean shoes. C-L-E-A-N, clean. She says, don't wear dirty shoes. Opposite of clean, dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Hi children, let's take another set of opposites to practice our cursive writing. Alright? Now, you take a little stone and put it into, if you have a fish tank, you drop it in the fish tank. Yes? A little pebble. Pebble is heavy. You drop a pebble into the fish tank. It is heavy. Spell heavy. H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. You take a paper and drop it into the fish tank. Paper is, it will float. It's light. Opposite of heavy, light. Spell light, L-I-G-H-T, light. Shall we write? Heavy, light. Good. H, E, A, V, Y, heavy. Opposite of heavy, feather is light, paper is light. Yes, light. L-I, G, H, T, light. Light. Our next word. Now, mommy gives you an empty cup. And the baby says, Mama, the cup is empty. Spell empty, E-M-P-T-Y, empty. Mama says, don't worry. I'm going to put something into the cup, empty cup. What is the opposite of empty? Full. So she brings some milk and she puts it into the cup full. Empty. Baby says, Mama, the cup is empty. Mama pours milk and makes it full. Empty, full. Yes? So let's write empty. Spell E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. Opposite F-U-L-L. Full. Shall we write? Yes. E. M. P. T. Y. Empty. Empty cup. Mummy makes it full by pouring a cup of full milk into the cup. Full. F-U-L-L. Full. F-U-L-L. Full. Empty. Full. Now, you stand outside the class. Teacher says, please come inside. Inside. Okay? Inside the classroom. All your friends are sitting. Teacher says, come inside the class. Spell inside. I-N-S. I-D-E. Inside. Then teacher says, there is a box of chalk outside the class. Go and bring it. Outside spelling O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. Inside. Outside. Put this chalk inside the box. Take the chalk out of the box. Inside. Outside. Let's write. Inside. I. N. S. I. D. E. Inside. Opposite. Outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. Opposite of inside is outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Inside. Outside. Okay? Now, in the morning, and everyone wakes up, Mommy says, come on, open all the windows. Let the sunshine come in. Open. So, you take off the latch, you open. Spell open. O-P-E-N. Open. You open the window. Yes? Then, in the evening, Mommy says, the mosquitoes will enter the house. Close. So, open, close. So, you close the window. Open, opposite, closed. C-L. O-S-E-D, closed. Let's write. Open, closed. Good. Open. Open the windows. O. P. E. N. Open. Opposite. Closed. C. Open. Close. You open the door. You close the door. Spell close. C-L-O-S-E. Close. C-L-O-S-E. Close. Open the door. Close the door. Let's look at all the four sets of opposites. We have written heavy. The pebble is heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. Opposite light. Paper. Feather. They are light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Empty. This box is empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. Opposite of empty. Full. You fill up the box with all the toys. Full. F-U-L-L. Full. Inside. Inside the house, you are safe. I-N-S-I-D-E. Inside. Outside. You keep your dog, your pet outside the house. O-U-T-S-I-D. Outside. Open. You open the door. O-P-E-N. Open. You close. C-L-O-S-E, close.